Medical Device Reprocessing System, PowerQuick. In healthcare settings, a variety of instruments are used during examinations and surgeries. In the reprocess of medical devices, cleaning is a crucial step before disinfection and sterilization. By performing proper cleaning, it is expected that 99.99% of contamination can be removed. Medical Device Reprocessing System, PowerQuick, offers a complete range of products that enable the full cleaning process, from pre-cleaning and main cleaning to maintenance. The pre-cleaning spray is excellent at preventing the drying and coagulation of contaminants such as blood, and just by spraying, a lasting effect of over 3 days can be expected. Enzymatic cleaners use enzymes and surfactants to break down and remove contaminants and can be used not only for pre-cleaning, but also for main cleaning such as manual, immersion, and ultrasonic cleaning. Cleaners for automated washers deliver high performance when used in jet and ultrasonic cleaning. Each maintenance agent suppresses irritating odors and is designed with consideration for human safety. Devices with rust can be treated with a rust remover and after rinsing, protected with a lubricating rust inhibitor. Cleaning is a critical process for infection prevention and control. By performing thorough cleaning, we enhance the quality of medical care and contribute to safe and reliable healthcare.